Oh. Yeah, a little siren action. What could that be now? Whoa. Whoa. It's about 5:45. Yeah. Yep. So it's going to be dark soon, and I guess the wind is really going to pick up. Of course, it was really howling. Mickey, no. My cat. The cat wants to get out. Dude, you're not getting out. Now I got to close the door. Go away. Because nobody's going to go get you. Oh, there goes the power. Oh, there goes the... And now the power's back on. That was fast. Okay, let's see what we got in the kitchen. Of course, Miss Rita is still cooking. Where are you, sweetie?
I'm cleaning, sweetie.
Hi.
Hi, I'm scared.
I know, we're going to be okay.
Our last meal was chicken chili.
It's in the fridge.
Did you pour for two?
No, would you like some?
I've got my little Coke glass in the freezer.
Here's the last of the chicken chili.
Oh, it whittled down.
Whittled.
Let's see what's going on in the backyard. Ooh.
Baby, it's a wild one.
It sure is. Mr. Stevens. Wow, that power went out for like half a second. Let's see what's going on out here, shall we? Gotta turn off the lights so you can... I'm still eating. Whoa! Yeah. Yeah. I don't think the heavy stuff's going to come down for quite some time now. If I had my shoes on, I'd go outside with this, but... Yep, here comes another... We are hunkered down.
Hurricane Mark.
Did you hear that? The tree fell down there.
Yeah,
Can't really see it. I'm going to close the door. All right, we're back in. Just to get a full scope of the angle of the dangle. Yep. Okay, well. It is really bad, but it will pass.
Alright, your Coke's freezing over on the top.
That's how we like it. Okay. Justin's referring to my favorite drink, Coke in a nice cold glass. There it is. Okay, so that's it. 6 o'clock. We're going to go in and watch a little news and weather together. And we'll talk to you later. Bye.